Welcome friends. Today I will give you a clear idea about the differentiation between adult male and female sex of different domestic birds. Here I have included chicken, duck, turkey, quail, guinea fowl and geese. I hope after seeing this video definitely you will be able to identify male and female sex. So let's start one by one. First we will see the difference between adult male and female chicken. You know the male chicken is called as cock and female chicken is called as hen. Usually cock is larger in size and the hen is smaller in size. Cock makes crowing sound and hen makes cackling sound. The spur is present on the leg of the cock. It is very prominent, but the spur is very rudimentary, or you can see it is very small in case of the hen. And in case of cock, there are presence of sickle and hackle feathers. They are very prominent in male, but they are absent in case of female birds. In case of cock, the sickle feathers are present on the tail part. They are of major sickle and lesser sickle feather, and the hackle feathers, they are present on the neck and the saddle part. So the hackles which are present on the neck, they are called as neck hackle, and the hackle feathers which are present on saddle, they are called as saddle hackles. So these sickle and hackle feathers, they are absent in the female bird. You can also find larger comb and wattle in case of cock, and comb and wattle is smaller in case of hen during the adult stage. In this picture you can see a presence of larger comb and wattle in cock as compared to hen, then presence of spur and presence of sickle and hackle feathers in case of cock, and these are absent in case of female bird. Spur is very rudimentary and female don't have hackle and sickle feathers. Okay, let's see how to differentiate between the adult male and female duck. Male duck is called as drake and the female duck is called as duck. Males are larger than females, and male have a presence of pair of curly feather at the tip of the tail, and these feathers are only present in drake. So these are called as drake feathers. So by seeing the drake feather of the adult bird, you can identify whether it is male or female duck. Also the male duck can make a soft throaty sound and the female produces harsh sound. And in case of colored ducks, the male have a bright color plumage and the female have a lighter plumage. In this picture you can see the small curly pair of feathers which are present at the tip of the tail. They are called as drake feather, and those birds have such a type of feather. They are adult male ducks. So you just see the yellow circle, that is the drake feather, and without circle tail part of the another bird is of female. So you can easily identify the difference between male and female duck by just seeing the presence or absence of drake feathers. Let's see how to differentiate between adult male and female turkey. Male turkey is called as tom and female is called as hen. So toms are heavier than the female turkeys. Toms have beard but females doesn't have, and toms have large lumpy and elastic dewbill or snood as compared to female turkeys. Male turkey have a red pebble like caruncles, but female don't have such a type of caruncles. The strutting behavior is shown by the male, but female cannot show the strutting behavior. This is one of the very important reproductive behavior in case of male turkey. In this picture you can see the males are larger than the female, and male have shown the strutting behavior, and males have caruncles, dewlap and snood which are very prominent as compared to the female turkey, And all these dewlap, snood and caruncle I have explained in the body parts of the different domestic fowls in the previous video. So the adult male and female turkey can be easily identified by seeing all these structures present on their body. So the next, how to differentiate between the adult male and female quail. Male quails are smaller than female quails. They have brown, cinnamon, tan colored feathers present on the throat region, but females have brown colored feathers on the throat region speckled with black spots. I will show you in the picture. And the male quail excretes the foam along with the excreta due to the presence of foam gland. And these foam glands are absent in case of female bird. These foam glands acts as important media for the sperms, and also they maintain the pH of the sperm. That's why they are present in the male bird only, not in the female. You can see in this picture, the female quail have black speckled spot on the throat region, but the male quail doesn't have. Male quail is smaller than the female quail. So next we will see how to differentiate between the adult male and female goose. Male goose is called as gander. It is larger in body size as compared to female. You can easily identify adult male and female goose by the presence or absence of knob at the base of the bill region. The male bird can produce a sound called as shrill, and the female produces low pitch type of sound. So in this picture you can see the presence of knob in case of male, and there is absence of knob in female. So by seeing the presence or absence of knob, you can easily identify the sex difference between the adult male and female geese. So the next one we will see how to differentiate between adult male and female guinea fowl. So males have larger helmet and wattles and coarser head. Females helmet and wattles are smaller, or they are not that much prominent. Males have wider wattle and females have parallel wattles. So wattles are convex and they are carried at 90-degree angles to side of the head in case of male guinea fowl, and in case of female guinea fowl they are carried flat laterally and directed vertically close to the side of the throat region. So in simple, the wattles are wider in case of male guinea fowl and the wattles are parallel in case of female guinea fowl. We can easily identify by seeing the wider wattle in male and parallel wattle in case of female. Male bird can produce one syllable cry shriek sound, and the female can produce two syllable cry sound. So the female produces buckwheat buckwheat or putrock type of sound. So I hope you have got an idea about to differentiate between the adult male and female of different domestic birds. So guys, if you like this information, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.